Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss USDJPY daily analysis. See, you might be wondering that why I have taken that trade. See, this trade gave me a fantastic risk reward ratio. Like 1:10 is literally crazy risk reward ratio. See, this trade was based on a 1 hour order block setup. I will tell you what is that. But let us cover our today's analysis first. So let's get to our weekly time frame. So let's get started. If you guys can see, market has done short sweep and also market has taken liquidity of inducement as well. See, this liquidity pull has been hunt. All the SLs are hunt. Now, if you see, there was only one breakaway gap, or you say fair value gap, or you say imbalance, and we see an explosive momentum. Like, see, USD JPY, I consider it like commodities. It always goes up. Like it keep chasing its all-time high. See, if I show you, like, let me zoom out and show you that USD JPY is going in an uptrend since a really long time, like really long time. Okay, so by the way, what your opinions are, let me know in the comment section. I would really appreciate your work, that you are also being serious in your trading journey. And one more thing, I would be posting videos regularly, like daily. Daily, I would be uploading videos on USD JPY analysis, Euro USD analysis, and gold analysis. Like daily on time, you would be able to see my analysis. So do watch them, like, and take guidance, and so that you can also confirm that you are going at the right trend. Like, I'm an experienced trader, so you can leverage my experience in your trading journey. See, this is the church area. If market show rejection, we would definitely take entry with our proper rules, and only if market shows rejection. See, there are PYs below as well. Market, you know but we will take this trade only and only if market shows rejection, because there are some minor liquidities below as well, so market may go and take them. So it would be better if you wait for rejection, so there would be no regrets in our mind as well. And yes, so Monday to Friday I'll be posting my analysis, and on Saturday and Sunday I would be showing you my trades, the logic of the trades, and why I took them. Okay, and my backtesting as well. See, in USDJPY my recent trades were these two. One, I show you that my order block trade, and one more, you see this cute little trade that gave me a 1:5 as well. See, this small trade gave me a risk reward of 1:5. It was a liquidity based trade. I did an early exit, otherwise it had also given me 1:10, but it's okay. See, big traders look for 1:3, but still, it's me who is showing you 1:10 reward as well. So make sure you hit the subscribe button and stay tuned for the further videos. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. It was knowledgeable, it was helping you guys out. Till then, bye bye. Keep trading, keep learning, keep doing your journals. And yes, one more thing, make sure you maintain your journal. It's really silly kind of thing, but it helps. It really helps. It really helped me as well. Okay, bye bye.